Hey traders, Anthony here. What I want to do in this video is show you a scalping strategy. I've just entered long TRON and this is how we do this. So what we do is we look to take 80%. Okay, I've entered here. We're gaining a bit of ground and now we close 80%. Close position 200. Oh, I don't know, we'll go 130. That'll do. So partial close. And the idea with this is, let's just have a look and see what that's worth. $65 in dollar value on this account. So we're $65 in the money, and now we set up a stop loss, 63. So this is risk-free at this point. Notice it's traded down to a daily level here. So this is risk-free. If it gets taken out, it's no big deal. 1 minute chart, we're going off these, directly off these dots, these signals here. What I'll do is open this up on the 1 minute and I'll show you how profitable these have been. In fact, what we can do, given that we're scalping this, if we want to, if this gains a little bit of ground, we can pull this up and go for a little bit of profit here. We'll just give ourselves about $20 or whatever it is. And then just see if this gains a bit of ground, and then I'd like to pull my stop loss up into positive territory. All right, so we've already closed 65, and so now I know that this is going to be profitable regardless. 65, 42. Okay, so we just narrow the margin as this is moving. 35. Okay, so at least I'm going to make some money out of this if the stop loss gets taken out. So this is more or less how I'm scalping this. 20. Okay, so there's $40. Okay, so I'm going to make $40 if that gets hit. Now what we can do is we can go into positive territory with this. At least I'm going to make $65 now, and I'll leave that there. It's tight, but we're scalping, and I've already made $65, so I'm just going to let this sit there. And my target, well, I mean, you could pull your target around this level here where you see previous interaction. All right, but ideally, if this gains a bit more ground, we pull the stop loss into more positive territory, if that makes sense. Okay, I mean, we increase our profit margin here. And I'm happy to leave it at that for now. So let's just open trade. We'll go to our open orders here and I'll show you how this works. Position, all right, so I can see where we're at down here. I'll just let that sit there for now. Okay, so it's pretty overextended. You can see how this is traded down beyond our channel outer level here. Okay, that'll get taken out and I'm okay with that. So let's just go back and have a look and I'll show you how profitable this is. All right, look at this trade. Stop loss above. Okay, so we'll set up a stop loss about 1 times the ATR either way and I'm good. All right, so generally we're looking at, what is the ATR? The ATR say 65. You can see that down the bottom here. All right, ATR 65. Actually, what I'll do with this, I'm just gonna tighten up my stop a little bit and just follow this up and use a hug this price at the moment while we're okay, let it get taken out now and I'm okay with that. Yeah, okay, we're out. So let's just have a look and see the result. We've got 65. There you go. Yeah, 95. Not bad for a few minutes work. Okay guys, I'm back again. I just had a little break. Yeah, I mean, we can see the outcome. So going back, 20 trades, we had a 20-20 win rate. Every one of these was a winning trade. Some of them, the payoff was better than others, but yeah. The idea with this is to take 80% of your position quickly and pull your stop loss to be in the money at that point ASAP. Look at some of these trades. And depending how you manage your stop loss and you manage your trade. I mean, look at these opportunities. Look at that one, for example. Very nice outcome. Definitely some charts are better than others. You want charts where there's a lot of whippy price action, where we get these big moves back and forth, and that will give you the opportunity. Tron's not bad. And I've got a few of these marked out. I did a video on this, so you can find out how to look through your your list here, for example, and pick out the best of the best. And it's just a simple matter of starting from the top, scrolling back on the time frame, and looking at the alerts and seeing which ones were more successful. Okay guys, I mean that more or less wraps up the video. I've done a ton of videos on this strategy, so feel free to go through and have a look at my YouTube channel. Head over to my website, click on the store link and give it a shot for 7 days. You gain access to everything, the indicators, tutorials, Telegram channel, daily market reports. And if you decide this is for you, here's an opportunity to invest $19.95 per month. I'm happy to share my good fortune, basically, for a couple of cups of coffee and a cake. As long as something comes back, I'm happy. This is ridiculously priced, so definitely jump on board, give it a shot, and I think you'll be very pleasantly surprised. Okay, guys, with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.